Welcome back. The High Court has dismissed a petition challenging order of Panji Special Court against Goa Speaker Rajendra Arlekar in alleged disproportionate assets FIR case. The High Court has held verdict of lower court right. Court maintained that FIR against Rajendra Arlekar cannot be lodged without prior sanction from Goa government.
While declining to direct the anti-corruption branch to register an FIR against Rajendra Arlekar, the Honorable Special Court had asked me to move the Honorable High Court. Now the Honorable High Court feels I should go to the Supreme Court. But this matter will have to be taken to the Supreme Court, and I will take this matter to the Supreme Court.
But the High Court observed that the Supreme Court has laid down the law which requires prior sanction from the government.
As of today, the police cannot register any FIR against any public servant unless there is a sanction of the government. And the government will never give sanction to its kith and kin to register an FIR. So basically, by this order of the earlier order of the Supreme Court, which now needs to be challenged, the order passed in the Anil Kumar case.
Petitioner advocate Iris Rodriguez has alleged that Rajendra Arlekar has purchased a plot worth more than his known source of income. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Goa staring up at an uphill task of resurrecting their 2014-15 Ranji Trophy campaign after the first two matches resulted in draw and brought just 2 points to their kitty. Their first home match was looked at as the must-win game. However, the hosts failed to take the full advantage of a flat track by not scoring enough to put their opponents, Himachal Pradesh, under pressure.
Himachal Pradesh are 185 runs behind Goa at the end of second day's play in the Ranji Trophy Group C match at Porori. Himachal were briefly in danger of a major collapse after Goan pacer Gauresh Gawas picked up 2 wickets in 2 balls. But the visitors negotiated Goa bowlers quite well thereafter, with Ankit Kalsi and Rashmi Parida scoring unbeaten half-centuries. Earlier, the Goan innings folded up for 357 runs, with young all-rounder Darshan Misal making a battling 97 runs. He faced a total of 217 balls and batted responsibly to take Goa to a respectable total. Experienced all-rounder Robin D'Souza provided further thrust to the host's tail with a cracking half-century. Robin smashed 7 sixers and 3 boundaries in his knock of 67 runs of 73 balls. Goa will have to work harder to have any chance of a positive result in the remaining 2 days. Sports editor Neeraj Prabhu for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.